Hi! Welcome to Richard Gabino YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to remove application and allow notifications work focus on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and click the Focus. Then after that, in the Focus, choose the Work. Then in the Work Focus, click Apps under the Notifications. Then after that, in the Notifications, under the Allow Notifications From, you will see the list of applications that you added. Then all you have to do is just click the negative sign to remove the applications that you added. And that's it. We have successfully removed apps and allow notifications work focus on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!